Hello everyone and welcome back to Dallas Auto Diag. Today's video is a little bit different after the frustration that I went through with the ACDelco um, um, after the update that they integrated to their website. They did away aftermarket users have to log in to use their SPS for programming. I decided to make this video to help people installing the new Techline Connect software. There is another video I am going to download after this, which actually occurred before, and that video actually the one that led me to make this decision to record this video for you guys. Um, the first thing we're going to do here, um, during the process of downloading uh, that video and installing it, I encountered a couple of errors, and I did mention those errors in the other video. Um, so to avoid going through what I went through, I am going to make some recommendations for you guys. Uh, hopefully you guys won't see what I saw. Uh, the last thing you want to do is be late on a job programming a engine control module, transmission control module. Um, so the first thing you need to do is this is only my recommendation. That ACDelco doesn't say this. ACDelco tell you that a couple of things that makes no sense at all, but we'll get to it. Um, the first thing that I would recommend is going to control panel, and my control panel is on a desktop right here. But if you don't know where's your control panel, all you have to do is go to the search and type control, and then it will pop up. And then if your control panel doesn't look like this, what you can do is here it says category. You probably will see it like this. So you go to large icons, and then you go to programs and there you go, programs and features, and you sort these are the applications installed in your computer. So what you do, you sort by there should be another one which is manufacturer, but let's go by type. Let's see, I'm using, this is not my computer, this is my previous computer. I'm using it to show you guys because I already installed this on my main computer. But the point that I want to get to is, if you go here, publisher, right here, publisher. So if you see what I did, if you don't have it, you just right click on this space and then you highlight publisher, you click on it. So you sort by publisher and you go down to G. Anything that says General Motor, try to uninstall it. And the way you uninstall it, by double clicking. So try to find General Motor and uninstall it. After you uninstall everything related to General Motor, you restart your computer, and after restarting, you log into your ACDelco TDS website, and you go to the part where it says your subscription, and you click view, and then you go add VIN. Subscription not found for you. Yeah, okay. So you have to have, I think, okay, if you don't have any subscription, you can click on any of these. Now, did you see what just happened here? It says you're not authorized to access this site. This is one of the errors. If you get stuck on that one, don't worry about it. All you have to do is click this tab and run it again. And again, if you don't have any subscription here, if, just like this one, 0 available, all you have to do is click on any of the VIN numbers. Right here is the page where you're gonna download Techline Connect. This is where you download it. So it's about 523 megabyte, which is half a gig, and you wait for it to download. Now, one of the things that ACDelco tell you, um, they have made this software so you have an icon here on a desktop, and then you'll be able to log in from it. But at this point, they tell you right away, do not log in. And again, I'm going to tell you that do not log in using the icon. The way to log in is by going to ACDelco and then jump into uh, this page by either clicking on Add VIN or any of the VINs you have. And from here, you're going to be clicking Launch Techline Connect. This is my first time I'm using this screen recorder, so if there is any technical difficulties, excuse me. I tried my best to test it before doing this. Um, Again, I mentioned in the second video, which I will upload, and I captured that video while doing the first programming, ECU programming after the update. So I showed screenshots of the errors that I encountered during that frustration, and I really highly recommend you guys to look at it. I know I haven't uploaded it yet, but it will be coming soon, just as a follow-up to this one. Now this one will be downloaded, and if you're not sure where it's going to be, all you have to do is click right here and show in folder. And usually it is in the you go to your uh, folder, main folder, and downloads. Where is downloads? Right here. You see downloads right here. So it is this one, but it's not done yet. So I'm doing this at home on a table. I don't have any access to a GM vehicle at this moment, so if there will be any connection steps, you guys can um, link it to the other video that I show a lot of process in it. So it's almost done. It's just finishing creating that file. Okay, it's done now. Let's go to the, and I prefer if you right click it and run as administrator. Yes, give you permission. Okay, give it a minute. There's a lot of things running in this computer, so it's taking some time. If you don't have anything running in the background, it should be quick. Alright, so it's defaulted to English. You can choose your language if you want. Hit next, next, next. I'm gonna give you guys a brief to what happened with me. First time I downloaded this, I um, installed it without an error, and actually I didn't know about it, I didn't read about it. I found out by going to a job, and luckily I had the time to mess with it. So when I come to connect to the vehicle, um, I launch the application, and then there is a big error on the desktop. and I either restart or shut down. I don't have any choice. I did everything possible, and it's a long story. I mentioned everything in the other video. I don't want to ruin it for you guys, but um, neither ACDelco nor Tech helped me in this case. I helped myself. I went home and I did the uninstallation of the previous versions. I kept only the J2534 wrapper because I had an issue before with installing it correctly in my computer, and I had to use ACDelco Tech at that time to properly install it. But while talking to uh, Tech um, um, support on the phone, he did mention actually that that was a good step for me to uninstall everything old and restart the computer and start with a fresh installation, which made the fix. So hopefully you guys won't see all these problems that I had to go through. So if we go to the desktop, you will notice some new icons will be created on the desktop. I know this is boring, but I just want to show you guys exactly what was going to happen on your desktop. I'm not touching anything, I'm not doing anything, it's doing it by itself. See, that's the first icon right there, MDI Manager. I think 3 more. Okay, it's completed. So click finish. I don't see the other icons though. Oh, they're gonna pop up. I think that happened with me before. So just be patient. Right here, here you go. Techline Connect. That's the icon that we're supposed to use in the future to log into our accounts. So now for the first time, this will take some time because this is the first time. It's gonna check for updates and start some 3-bar downloading. Give it a minute. Be patient. Make sure you have a good internet connection. Here, do not log in using this page. This is the software itself. So you have to close it, shut down, and it's gonna close. There you go. Close download. We don't need that anymore. There should be 2 more icons, but we'll see. What I was gonna say, yes. So you don't launch it from there. You launch from here. Launch Techline Connect. Open Techline Connect. Yes. Okay. Where is this? right here. I think it's going to check for updates for the first time and install the other two softwares. I think Tech to Win and GDS2, I'm not sure. We'll see. This is normal again because it's the first time. See, that's the first time launching. Usually, the second and the third and the fourth, only the first check mark and the second one. Third one won't be available because this is the download bar. It's going to download and it's going to launch another installer to install the other two softwares. Okay, that's weird, but oh, here you go. Yeah, check to win. Okay, now we hit next and another next. I accept, next, next, install. Alright, install, finished. This is also only one time you do it. I am using Cardac plus 3 for programming. Set up must update files will be correct. Okay. I got this close from buying an MDI, but luckily I solved my problem. So I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys watching this are using aftermarket tool, especially probably the Autels, Bosch. Um, and I tested the Autel and the car deck, so should be good to go. Here, those are the other two icons. So total for after you finish installation, total for 1, 2, 3, 4. Checking for updates again. This is going to be your launch. Every time you launch it from the browser, uh, this screen will pop up. Okay, so far is good. Everything is good now. There you go. Everything is good. So far is good. There is no errors. This is normal. I'm using my old um, account because again I already used my account installing it on the other computer. Here you connect the vehicle. You're gonna use your VCI, and in this case, well, in the other computer the list is long because I have installed some drivers for the other ones. I have uh, the Autel PC Suite. Again, you're gonna choose yours. Uh, Make sure the drivers are up to date for your VCI, and once you choose yours, you click continue. Of course, I don't have any communication. That's what I said earlier. If we are going to be required to connect it, you guys can catch up with the other video. And after this, once you connect to it, this will disappear by itself, and here will be the logo of the either a Chevy or a Buick or a Cadillac, and the information for the vehicle. Here is the VIN number for the vehicle, and here is your VCI, the one you use, and some information about it, like the name. And from here, the dashboard will bring you back to this page, and SPS2 is the one where we go do the programming. Again, it's not going to show. You guys can wait for the other video. I will show you guys. Actually, you will see it. Um, Again, this is where you start your programming or reprogramming, and all the options that we are used to are going right here. There you go. We were lucky to get to it. Here, you either program or replace and program, and over here will be the information for the vehicle. What else? And then you hit next. Right here it will be green, highlighted green, and you hit next, and you just do the steps that we know we've done before. So that's pretty much it. I hope this video will help somebody. If you guys have any problem, any errors, please feel free to share them in the comments below. This might start a conversation. Viewers will help you, and I will do my best to help you guys. Oh, this one note. This new Techline Connect software, I think what I noticed, it requires a good internet connection. I mean, a good speed internet connection. I was running on 3 bars on my hotspot, and it was giving me problems. It was giving me errors, not able to download files while programming, and disconnected. It just says basically check your internet connection. So, and I was connected, so make sure you get a good connection. But I think I mentioned everything, and this is a boring video, I know, but it's going to be helpful for a lot of people. Um, the more important, actually, the next video, which I um, explain and show all the errors that I had to go through, and I finish actually a job, a programming procedure along that video, just to make sure that the software is fully operational and capable of doing programming to the fullest. I even started the vehicle, so stay tuned for that. Thank you guys for watching. Thumbs up if this will help you guys. I really appreciate it. And of course, I don't have to say it, but you feel free to subscribe to the channel. We always put good content to the viewers. Have a good day.